I think viewing farming as an purely extractive endeavor, which we have for generations now, is a problem. It's too reductive. You know, the soil should be alive, and you got to be careful when you pretend that it's not. My name is Adam Reed, and I have Tangleroot Farm in Essex, New York. We produce organic veggies. We grow all sorts of produce, and we do a wholesale to restaurants and grocery stores, and then we do a home delivery CSA. I've always believed in growing without chemical interventions, especially synthetic ones. They never seem to be the right move. They're kind of a sledgehammer. So I've always been fairly committed to organic growing practices. I think if we held all farms accountable for their impact on the environment, a lot of those problems would start to solve themselves as far as agriculture's impact on the environment. Long term, when I'm done farming, hopefully, you know, this field I can say I left it better than I found it.